What if our universe is not alone? For centuries, we believed that everything, all space, all time, all existence, was contained within this single cosmic bubble we call the universe. But what if it's only one bubble in an endless ocean of others? Every law of physics, every star, every atom, every breath you've ever taken might be just one version of reality among countless others, each governed by its own rules, its own constants, its own destinies. This is the multiverse, and beyond it lies something even more incomprehensible. To ask what lies beyond the multiverse is to ask what lies beyond existence itself, because the answer might redefine not only the cosmos, but the meaning of reality. To understand what could lie beyond the multiverse, we first need to understand how the idea of many universes began. In the early 20th century, cosmologists believed in a single Big Bang, one explosion, one space-time, one universe. But then came the discovery of cosmic inflation. According to the theory, the universe didn't just explode, it expanded faster than the speed of light, stretching empty space itself. And if that inflation happened once, it could happen again and again. Each burst of expansion could create a new, isolated pocket of reality. A universe with its own Big Bang, its own laws of physics. These universes would never meet, separated by gulfs of space-time expanding faster than light. Our universe, then, might be nothing more than a single spark in an eternal cosmic fire. In this model, the multiverse isn't science fiction. It's the natural consequence of inflation itself. If that's true, then beyond our universe lies an infinite number of others, each born, evolving, and dying in its own time. Some could look almost identical to ours. Others might be ruled by completely different laws, where gravity repels instead of attracts, where stars burn cold, where life could never exist. And perhaps somewhere, a universe identical to ours does exist, with another you watching this same video, asking the same question, but maybe thinking a slightly different thought. But there's another kind of multiverse, one that doesn't exist out there in space, but in the invisible world of the quantum. In quantum physics, every particle exists in many states at once, until observed, when it collapses into one outcome. You flip a coin, it lands heads or tails, but before you look, quantum theory says it's both. So what if every possible outcome actually happens, but in separate parallel universes? When you make a choice, the universe splits, one where you turn left, one where you turn right. An infinite branching of possibilities, where every decision, every chance, creates a new world. This is the many worlds interpretation. And if it's real, then infinity isn't out there. It's right here, splitting endlessly within the fabric of existence itself. That means right now, there are infinite versions of you, living, breathing, deciding, failing, loving, each unaware of the others. Every time you blink, the universe divides, and another version of reality begins. If the quantum multiverse deals with probability, there's another, even grander, that deals with dimension. In string theory, the fundamental ingredients of reality aren't particles, they're vibrating strings of energy. And our universe might be a three-dimensional surface, a brane, floating in a higher dimensional space. If that's true, then other branes could exist beside ours, other universes invisible to us, separated by the smallest possible distance, a fraction of a millimeter, but unreachable through space or light. Every brane could hold an entire cosmos with its own galaxies and timelines. And sometimes these branes might collide. According to one theory, the Big Bang wasn't the beginning. It was the collision of two branes releasing unimaginable energy and creating the universe as we know it. So what lies beyond our universe? Maybe not emptiness, but another brane, another reality, just a cosmic heartbeat away. Infinity. We use the word so easily, but few truly grasp what it means. Because infinity doesn't just mean a lot, it means no end. In an infinite multiverse, anything that can happen, what must happen, somewhere, sometime, again and again. There is a universe where Earth never formed, another where dinosaurs still roam, one where the laws of physics are pure chaos, and one where nothing exists at all. Somewhere, There's a version of you who made every different choice you could have made. Every joy, every tragedy, every life you never lived, all exist somewhere in the multiverse. But if there are infinite universes, then every possible story already exists. Which means even the multiverse itself might not be the final level of reality. Because infinity doesn't end, it transcends. To ask what lies beyond the multiverse is like asking what lies beyond mathematics, beyond logic, beyond being itself. Some physicists imagine an even higher structure, a superverse, an infinite set of multiverses, each defined by different physical constants. Others think the multiverse is just one expression of an even deeper mathematical reality, a realm of pure information. And some philosophers believe that beyond the multiverse doesn't mean more space or time. It means no space, no time at all. A place, or perhaps a state, where potential replaces existence. A realm where all possible universes are not created or separated, but coexist eternally as mathematical truths, like the numbers themselves. If that's true, then the multiverse isn't real in the way we imagine. It's a reflection, a shadow cast by something timeless, and we, our consciousness, our awareness, might be fragments of that higher order, observing reality from within. In every theory of the multiverse, there's one missing ingredient, the observer. Because if infinite universes exist, each with different laws, what allows you to experience this one? Some scientists believe consciousness isn't created by the brain. It's a fundamental aspect of reality, woven into the universe itself. In that sense, the multiverse might not just contain observers, it might exist because of them. Every universe requires observation to exist, and every observer brings a universe into focus. So, what if the multiverse is a mirror, reflecting every possibility of awareness, every expression of being, from atoms to galaxies to gods? If so, then beyond the multiverse might lie not another space, but the source of consciousness itself. A place where all minds converge, a reality that observes all realities, an intelligence so vast it becomes indistinguishable from existence itself. Perhaps that's what ancient mystics glimpsed when they spoke of the oneness of all things. Maybe they were describing what science is only now beginning to suspect, that the universe is conscious, and that consciousness is the universe looking at itself. Even infinity has a paradox, because if everything exists, then nothing is unique. Meaning itself begins to dissolve, and perhaps that's the final truth of all things, that every universe, every timeline, every version of you is part of one infinite cycle of creation and dissolution. The multiverse may not be a place to explore, but a question to awaken. What lies beyond it might not be something we can reach, but something we are. Because beyond infinity, beyond matter, beyond mind itself, there may be only awareness. Pure, timeless, infinite awareness, the foundation from which all realities emerge. If so, then you are not in the universe. The universe is in you. And yet, the story never ends. Every question gives birth to another. Every universe births a new horizon. Every ending becomes a beginning. Perhaps the multiverse itself breathes in and out, an infinite cycle of possibility, forever expanding, forever collapsing like a cosmic heartbeat. And maybe, somewhere within that eternal pulse, another version of you is asking this very same question, wondering if there's something beyond it all. If so, you've just proven there is. Because the act of wondering creates new worlds. Every thought, every dream, every what-if adds another spark to the infinite. So what lies beyond the multiverse? Maybe nothing. Maybe everything. Maybe just the question itself. The multiverse is not the end of science, it's the beginning of imagination. When we stare into the dark and ask, what lies beyond, we are not just exploring space, we are exploring ourselves. Every universe, every possibility, is a reflection of the same infinite curiosity that gave birth to the first star. And as long as we keep asking, keep dreaming, keep reaching beyond the edge, the story will never end, because maybe the true multiverse isn't out there at all. It's within, waiting for you to open your eyes.